Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon X. So in this lesson we'll discover few present participles. Okay, so we've been already covering the way to construct them. So if you don't really remember it, I would definitely advise you to watch again the video regarding present participle. But then in this video, well, I will show you exactly how to construct it. So we're going through this new form at the present, and after that, based on this new form, we will just remove the ending ONS and add this ANT, and we'll get this present participle. Okay, so let's see now. To speak, parler. Nous parlons. So this is the present form. Remember, we'll have to remove this ONS to get the stem. And after that, we'll just put ANT after the stem. Parlant. And in English, it would be speaking. To finish, finir. Nous finissons. Finissant. And this is finishing. To wait, attendre. Nous attendons. Okay, so we remove the ending ONS. And we get attendant, waiting. To choose, choisir. Nous choisissons. So remember, we'll remove the ending and we'll get choisissant, choosing. To go, aller. Nous allons, allant, going. To take, prendre. Nous prenons, prenant, taking. To drink, boire. Nous buvons, same thing here, we remove the ending, ONS. Buvant, drinking. To unite, unir. Nous unissons, unissant, uniting. To begin, commencer. Nous commençons, so remember, you remove this ONS. Commençant, beginning. To come, venir. Nous venons. Venant, coming. To say, to tell. Dire. Nous disons. Disant, saying. To open, ouvrir. Nous ouvrons. Ouvrant, opening. To do, faire. Nous faisons. Faisant, doing. To leave, partir. Nous partons. Partant, leaving. To eat, manger. Nous mangeons. Mangeant, eating. To go out, sortir. Nous sortons. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/Learn Imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.